Good morning, students. My name is Srinath NS. My qualification is MA B.Ed. I am working as an English lecturer in Jnanajyoti PU College from last 1 year. Dear student, welcome to Jnanajyoti PU College. Today, let's discuss about a language English. You know, the language is different from the subject. All the subject is depending upon the language. Without the language, we cannot make any experiment on any expression in your subject. So, the international level language, English, is very important to build up your career, because after your completion of your education, the communication is very important part. So the communication English plays a predominant and excellent role to create your career in the life. So we saw two type of the people in the world as a student. One who is more educated in the concept and content, but he did not know well communication system. The second category is the some student is very excellent in communication, but he did not know the content. So these two type of scenarios are different from each other. Both will fail, because as a student in his career, for the success, both communication as well as the language capability and the hold in the language is very important. But unfortunately, nowadays the student did not give any importance for language. They give the importance only for the core subject, especially the science student give the importance for PCMB, as well as the commerce student is give the importance for EBACS. But to explain or to achieve everything, the language, especially the English language, is very important and the relevant. On that aspect, my sincere request as a first PUC student is that you have to give importance for grammatical based English. So without the grammar, the subject, the language is incomplete. Communication is the process is extracted from the practice, but the communication is incomplete because the communication did not implemented the grammar. So once the grammar is implemented in the language, then only the language is perfect. But unfortunately, in the nowadays scenario, everybody uses to communicate in English. Everybody know how to use the communication in English, but they did not know the basic grammar. That's why in your bridge course, I want to explain about the basic grammar, and the basic grammar is very important to implement in the language, and this language is become complete when you introduce or implement all the basic grammar in your text. I hope you better understood my concern about the language as a English lecturer. So I hope you didn't neglect the English communication with the grammar. The implementation concept is very important in the language through the grammar. That's why I want to teach you the basic grammar in the bridge course. The grammar is a very systematic way of reading and the writing.